One of the most asked questions from our last two videos on how to sell on Takealot, where to get products, was how do I actually register with the companies that I can buy products from to sell on Takealot? Let me show you how to go about that.
So the company that we are going to look at today is the Sense, but the rule still applies to other platforms or companies that you can search for products. The Sense. So the first thing you want to do is look for register, then fill in your details. Then once you're done with your registration, you'll press continue. Okay, now so once you're inside, you want to go to mobile menu, so that you look for the products that you can buy and resell. So we'll just check men fragrances. Let's look at designer fragrances. There you go. So you'll start seeing these prices and all that. Into I understand is if these prices that are being shown are prices that allows you to resell the products. So I want to check that now. Okay, so what I was looking for is an option that allows you to buy product at an wholesale price, right? Because you are in here because you want to buy and resell the products, right? So you'll come here and say and look for apply. So you'll do all this on the platform, then you'll fill in your details, all the details, then you submit your application. Then from there I think you'll get a response. Okay, what's the next step and all that. So yeah, there you have it, guys. If you have any question, please feel free to leave it in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer your question. Apart from that, I have another video that will show you 5 things that you must consider before you buy products from these companies. Thank you, guys.